Hey friends, in this video we will learn about the most awaited features, that is dynamic group. Dynamic group is already used in Office 365. Now Google has also launched this feature for IT administrator, like they can just add or remove the users as per the attribute value. So if any account having the attribute IT, or multiple users having the account, department like IT, so we can add the multiple users concurrently through creating a dynamic groups. Or later, if you have created 3 accounts which is already added in a dynamic group, now later on when you will create a new account and if you will specify the department IT, so users will be added automatically in that group. So this will help administrators to adding the users through the attribute value. So for creating a dynamic group, you need to again go on the directory tab and groups. This tab is already earlier used inside the group creation. So this feature is also added in the same tab over here, create dynamic group. So before creating dynamic group, I am just going to tell you, if you have these three editions for Google Workspace, so then you can only use this dynamic group creations on Google Admin Panel. First is Enterprise, Education, Standard, and Plus. Without these additions, you cannot create or add a new dynamic groups. So later on, it might be Google will launch for other additions as well. So these all are the future planning. But currently, we can create the groups only for these three additions. So we have enterprise edition. So we'll go on the group tab. Here we have already created um, 2 groups over here. Now we will create a dynamic group, so we'll not click on the create group. We will just select, we will click on the create dynamic group here, and now you can specify the conditions. Conditions means like if your condition is matching for multiple users, so all multiple users will be added in this dynamic group automatically. So we'll select the conditions like department, and we'll scroll it down and we'll search the department tab, and you can check or you can select your attributes value as per your requirement. Currently we will select the department tab, and this is the department. Now here you need to specify the operator equals or equal ignore case. We'll select equal, and equal is IT. Any users attribute having the IT inside their department attribute, so users will automatically added in this group. Or it doesn't mean that it will create only once. If you are going to create a new account, and if you are specifying the department equal to IT, so all those accounts will be also added automatically in this dynamic group. So now I need to select on the preview. You can specify one or more conditions. So one is minimum, and you can add multiple conditions over on this tab by clicking like add conditions. If you want to specify one more condition, so you can check it like country, and this all you can add it over here. Now I'm going to click on the preview. In the preview tab, now it is asking to create dynamic group tab. Here I need to specify the group name and group description, IT department, and here group email ID like IT, and going to click on the save option. Now you can change the group settings as usual how you were changing earlier in the Google admin panel. These two options are same, and going to click on the done. Now this group has been created. Now you can see only one members have been added automatically because one of the users having the department value IT. If you want to add more users, so you need to just specify the department value IT, then users will automatically added in this group. So if you want to see who are the members, so just click on the groups, and now you can see dynamic member is 1, and this is a user. You can verify this user by clicking on this tab user, and see if user having the attribute value department value IT. So just scroll it down and you can see IT is there. Now similarly you can edit other accounts as well. You can specify the department and users will automatically added in this group. And now I'm going to specify the department over here, and IT, click on the save, and now I will go on the directory again and will go on the groups, and we'll see two members have been added because I had just added the department attributes on the second account, and this account has also added automatically in this group. So this is the way which you can follow to create the dynamic group, and you can add the members as per their attribute value. Thank you for watching this video.